Sheriff Al Kisner. What we're here today for is to present plaques of appreciation to Sergeant Curt Thomas and Sergeant Randy Stockett and their canines, Sergeant Thomas's K-9 Yar and Sergeant Stockett's K-9 Winston, who passed away. But we wanted to at least recognize the officers and their canines for the service that they gave to the citizens of Montague County over the years.
He was, my kids described him as he was everything. He was their pet. He was a police dog.
Mm-hmm.
So he was a little bit of everything to us.
Randy, this is presented to you for your dog Winston, years of service that you provided to us, as well as yourself, the people of Montague County, and Sheriff Kisner.
He was very energetic, he loved to play, and loved people. I mean, he was one of the very few police dogs that I've known that you could take to a school and do a demonstration and let the kids pet him when you left. He loved kids, loved people. He wasn't an aggressive dog whatsoever.
Curt, this is being presented to you, Sergeant Curt Thomas and K-9 Yar, for your dedicated service to the citizens of Montague County, presented by myself and Chief Deputy Paul. Thank you. Thank you.
This is K-9 Apache. We've had him about a year. He's currently trained certified in narcotics, tracking and apprehension, and stealing